just a pre-inspection on this boulder. Most of these stepper units are functioning well. That one's gummed up a little bit. And then he has some issues with scoring. I'm suspecting there's some switches that are dirty, open close switches, probably on the back of his wheels. While I was at it, I just double checked and visually inspected to make sure all this stuff back here, the switches are aligning correctly and making good contact. Roll the bowling ball, and then those pins are going to lubricate them. And when people lubricate them, it's a temporary fix, but it's a long-term problem. So I did have to rebuild a couple stepper units. But I'm fairly satisfied with how this thing is working right now. But I need to go through 10 frames for each player. That's effectively rolling this ball a minimum of 60 times or more. Hit a strike. It'll show on the player side right there that we hit a strike. So those are all marked up.
At the stop sign, turn left onto Highway 70.